So I'm going to be comparing the Zealot S79 with the JBL xtreme 4. Now, some of you may know the Zealot S79 right here comes with a shoulder strap. I've taken it out because I prefer the handle. It also has a built-in handle, but the JBL xtreme 4 right here comes with just a shoulder strap and has a built-in bottle opener. The JBL xtreme 4 has a total peak power of 100 watts and has an advertised battery life of 24 hours playtime. And the JBL xtreme 4 can serve as a power bank to charge up your phone, and it can also connect to other JBL speakers as well. It has the Allcast, and I'm so glad this speaker can also connect with other JBL speakers that support party boost by using the JBL app. The JBL portable speaker has the dedicated app, which is one good thing I like about JBL speaker. In the app, you get the equalizer, and many other options you can play with, which is one good thing about the JBL portable speaker. But for the Zealot S79 right here, you have a dedicated button to select the EQ mode. You have the bass, you have the normal EQ, and you also have the vocal boost. And as for the JBL xtreme 4, it has a swappable battery, which is very easy. All you have to do is just take out these two screws and you get access to the battery. You pull it out. So that's one good thing about the JBL xtreme 4. Imagine you have more than one battery. You can just swap from one battery to another. If your battery is down, you can just put in another battery and that's going to keep the party going. And of course, it's going to be easy to replace as well. But as for the Zealot S79, I haven't done the battery replacement, but I'm pretty sure if you want to get access to this battery, you have to take out everything, lose everything to get access to the battery. So that's one advantage the JBL xtreme 4 has compared to the Zealot S79. The Bluetooth version for the JBL xtreme 4 is 5.3, and like I said earlier, the total peak power for this speaker is 100 watts and has a frequency response of 45 Hz to 20 kHz. The JBL xtreme 4 is IP67, waterproof and dustproof, and the weight of the JBL xtreme 4 is 2.1 kg. Now, regarding which one is more portable, they are almost the same size, but the Zealot S79 is a little bit bigger than the JBL xtreme 4. So, in my own opinion, both speakers are really portable. As for the Zealot S79, is waterproof with an IPX6 rating. I don't know if it's dustproof, it's not specified. The Bluetooth version for the Zealot S79 is 5.2, and like I said earlier, this speaker has a total peak power of 100 watts with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Right in the box, you'll find out that this speaker has 1% distortion, and the Zealot S79 is more heavier than the JBL xtreme 4. This speaker is 3.3 kg. One beautiful thing about the Zealot S79 is that it has a RGB light. Let me put it on. So that's it. You can also change the lights, change the mode of the light, have it displayed different way, and you can also turn it off if you don't like it by just holding the button and it will turn off just like this, and that's it. So you can also hold it and put it on, and you can also change the mode of the light, and it also have some lights here as well. And sometimes you can also put it in a way that this light here will move according to the rhythm of the song. So that's one thing I really like about the Zealot S79. Sometimes when you just turn off all the lights and allow its own light to shine, you see how beautiful and colorful the lights are in the Zealot S79. The Zealot S79 has an advertised battery life of 50 hours playtime, and the Zealot S79 has stereo connect that allows you to connect the Zealot speaker to other Zealot speaker. I think you can actually connect this speaker to another S79. You can't connect it to other Zealot speaker because I've actually tried connecting this speaker to the S78, S67, S98, but it just doesn't work. You just click this button and click the other one, the connect button. I guess you have to connect this one. You can only connect this one with the S79. But as for the JBL xtreme 4, you can connect the speaker with the JBL speaker that support party boost by using the JBL app. And for the new speakers that we're making, the JBL speaker that comes with Allcast, you can connect the speaker with them as well. So let's go to the speaker body. Here in the S79, you have two USB-C, one for output and the other one for input, and you have the USB port, and you have the TF card port, and you have the audio jack. But in the JBL xtreme 4, you have just a Type-C port for charging. And this is the button in the Zealot S79. You have the power on button, you have the light button, the menu button, you have the stereo connect button, the EQ button, the play pause button, and the plus and minus button, and you have the battery indicator right there. And this is the bottom of the Zealot S79. Really good looking speaker. And this is the JBL Xtreme 4. You have the power on button, the Allcast, the Bluetooth, and you also have the plus and minus and the play pause button. This is the logo on the JBL Xtreme 4, and this is the bottom of the JBL Xtreme 4, the same place where you find the battery, the swappable battery. And this is the passive radiator on the JBL Xtreme 4. Good looking handle. And the Zealot does not have a dedicated app. And one good thing is that the Zealot S79 can serve as a power bank to charge up your phone as well. So I'm going to be playing both speakers to see how they stack up against each other. If you are that person or you are curious to know which one plays better, I hope this video is going to enlighten you regarding that. And if you are that person you are looking to get one of these speakers for yourself, I hope this video will help you make a better decision for yourself. Both speakers are great speakers, but like every other speaker out there, they have their pros and cons. So we're going to be playing both speakers right now and let both speakers speak for themselves. So I advise, if you have your headphone, please put on your headphone for a better sound experience. Or if you don't have a headphone, then connect your phone to a louder speaker so you get a better sound experience regarding the comparison we're about to do right now.
stamping to the sound. Sun is shining, smiles all around, heart is stamping to the sound.
So that's it. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I prefer the JBS4 in every way. It's just way more better than the Zealot S79 in every way. In mid volume, mass volume, the JBS4 did it better. It's just more better. The Zealot S79 right here is very loud and has good bars as well. But I just don't like the sound coming from the Zealot S79 when you put it in the bass EQ. It kind of sound moldy and just weird. I just really don't like the sound coming from the Zealot S79 when you put it in the bass EQ. But when you're playing in the normal EQ, it's a little bit better. Yeah, it's definitely better than when you put it in the bass EQ. So if I'm going to be playing this speaker, it's definitely going to be on the normal EQ. So the speaker is not bad. It has good sound, good bass, but I just prefer the JBS4 in every way. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if it has been helpful, and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't done so. That way you're going to be supporting this channel to bring more videos like this to you in the future. Until next time,